Hello, I am Kundan Kumar and welcome to Jobs Mira. And today is the second day of 60 day hiring challenge. Then now we have a three big opportunity from company name is Guidewire, Salesforce and Propel Propel and which are recruiting for the fresher hiring. And the uh, position is the software developer and intern and security analysis. So then go to the every site. The first is the Guidewire Guidewire company, which are recruiting for the software intern, and the location is Bangalore, and the internship base this is 3 month and January, February, March intake. Okay, the let's look below the intern requirement current undergraduate and pursuing BSc and computer science related course reported and the experience and skills is Java and C has and C++, familiar with object oriented programming and we understanding the JavaScript also. And lots of skill are required. So other type of we like natural and something you can read it carefully and apply on this opportunity. Then if you want to apply this recruitment, go to the apply button and click it, and after that open the application form and you will fill this carefully and submit it. Then we go to the next opportunity is from Salesforce, which are recruiting for intern. The location is Hyderabad and Bangalore, and it is a security assurance team working in alongside and Salesforce products, and responsibility is role with working inside with a team to put and the companies to solve the challenges, security design and problem solve, providing feedback and processed system and architectures. So basically you work on the security design and problems and providing the feedback and process and architectures. So basically it is a security based and design based jobs. The skills are required in PHP, Perl, Pythons, and Ruby, etc. The familiar with OWASP and top 10 participated in bugs and lots of security competitions and actively participated in security competition. So basically, it is a security based job. Let's go to the next recruitment is from Propel Technology Solutions, which are the recruiting for the 2024 software developer. It is a big opportunity for all of us. The position is developer and location is Chennai, India. The freshers 2024 batch pass out and the skills are required for this job is a strong fundamental programming, analytics and problem solving skills, proactive and self-motivated, good and written communication skill, etc. And specialize in 60 degrees, no standing areas, not a mandatory. And this is imply being a 6 month. The basically is your 6 month training period, I think. And the test and interview process is first of all get the test link, aptitude test. After that, clearing the aptitude, you will doing a programming test, and after that you get the selected, you will get selected, then you call for the final interview. The location is Chennai and requirement is C has and C Java and Java plus JavaScript, etc. And lots of skill are similar skill for those, and previous requirement. So, and if you want to interest this opportunity, go to I'm interested and click on this, and simply you upload your resume and fill these fields and submit application. So these are the requirement of three companies and great company. So go and apply on this. If you have any query, please feel free to comment me. I will respond promptly. All website and all company link is provided on the video descriptions. So go and apply as soon as possible. Thank you all of you for watching. Stay tuned with more exciting opportunity and day 3. This is a day 2. So thank you.